Yeah.
This is B and B. This is and a kiss it.
Good.
This is a goat and a duck.
Good.
This is an elephant.
Good.
A fish.
Good.
This is good muscle.
Good monster. What does H? H say?
Hammer.
That's right.
Hammer.
Hammer. Good. What's the next letter?
An igloo.
Good.
Cool.
That's jacket. J says what?
That's good.
J
Jacket.
says J. That's right. Okay.
Jacket.
What's the next letter?
Give me you.
Good. What's the next letter?
Like this.
That's a lizard.
That is mouse.
Good.
Mickey Mouse.
And good.
Like this.
That's a newspaper.
That's
What letter is that down there?
Two.
Good. Good. What's that letter there?
X.
Good. What sound does the X make? Good.
X.
What letter is that one?
W.
What sound does the W make?
Blah.
Good. What letter is this one right here? V. Good. Can you say your name? What's your name? Gracyn and Gavin? No, your name is Gracyn. Can you say hi?
Marsha.
Oh, good. That's right. That's the name. That's what the letter your name starts with. That's not a Martian. That's a ghost.
Daddy's going to see me.
Yeah. What letter does mama start with? Mama. Mama.
Mommy.
Good. Yes, the M.